What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we...
What? Why are you doing that?
Shut up.
Why are you closer to us?
Okay, sorry guys, I have to charge my phone. But anyways, today we are going to be acting like Foxy. Well, we got this hook. We're going to be acting like a pirate. We could act like him if we want. But what was that? Anyways, yeah, guys, I'm going to be putting this on. Yeah, we made like a little Lego thing. But yeah, we're going to be putting this on. The vlog might be a little short today, so hang on. Let me just put you guys down for a second. Okay, so I have it on right now. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty difficult to vlog today. I can't really walk around because I have a charger that was just now. Don't look in there. A charger that was just now on my phone. Hang on. You guys good? Good. Anyways, yeah, well, I don't know what we're going to do for today's vlog. I didn't really plan this out. I don't know, guys. Maybe I'll post a Minecraft video. I don't know. But if you guys want to meet me on Minecraft or add me as a friend on Minecraft, my username is Tony. It's TonyGamer1. So you can look that up. You'll find my Xbox account. I don't play on Xbox. I play on a phone, but I use a remote. It was charging not that long ago. But yeah, guys, I don't like this hook. I don't like it at all. Well, anyways, guys, comment down below what you would want me to do for the next video. I could do a voodoo ritual, or I could do some 3 a.m. challenges. What the hell is that? I don't know, but I think there's something in there. Hang on, guys. Let me put you down real quick. Let me put the camera down.
She said, okay.
Okay. I'm so scared right now. The camera is legit like bouncing. Guys, I'm scared right now. Hang on, I'm gonna go get something. Okay, guys, I couldn't find something, so I don't know if like there's somebody or something in there, but I know that it's gonna be scary. What the fuck? Are you gonna be with me, Foxy? Guys, leave a comment down below if you want to see Mr. Foxy in some of the videos, or if you want to see Mickey in the videos.
It's not spicy for me. The order is not spicy for me. Mickey? I think what's spicy for you.
Mickey, what are you? Alright, fellas. Mickey, what the... Mickey! Come back here! Mickey! No! Oh, crap. Sorry guys, Mickey just he just jumped down the whole thing of... Well, there's nothing there, but he just slammed himself against the wall. Great. That's all for today's vlog. I'm sorry that it was so short, but hang on. I'm gonna check out some videos. Actually, you know what? Second thought, I'm not. So, bye guys. I hope you have a nice video. Had a nice time. Yeah.